use a condom though, because like I don't know if she's been around, I'm sure. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe she did, maybe I don't know. I'm sure I don't know. You gotta use a rubber, you know what I'm saying? If she becomes my girlfriend, then I'll take the rubber off. Because I do want to get a girl pregnant. Man, about damn time. Fuck, man. About fucking time, I swear. Oh, I want to piss that waitress off. I'm going to bring the stripper over to the restaurant. She's nice, but I'm telling you, these Moldova chicks, bro, they've been treating me like shit, bro. I'm going to fuck her hard, man. I'm going to send a message to these bitches, man. But she seems like a nice girl. Talk to her on the phone, man. Fuck. Damn, about fucking time, son. About time. 2 fights. Okay, yeah. That's not a smoke alarm. Fuck, man. It's a fucking security alarm. 2 fights. 2-0 with the injury. And she bounces. Code. I'm not gonna get what code? Bro, what are you asking me this private shit for, man? What code, man? I'm not giving you no code. Yeah, it's a security alarm. Hey, after I fuck her, I'm gonna ask her if I can hold on to her. I'm gonna show you her underwear. You know, you want some kind of proof that the lady came over, right? Damn. The other stripper didn't pick up, but this one did. What? You don't live in a mansion? Do you live in a mansion? All mansions have, all big houses have alarms. Where do you live? Where do you live in an apartment or do you live in a big house? So apartments don't need security alarms. They don't have security alarms. This isn't clearly a big house. Shit, she can take a shower here if she wants, you know what I mean? Because I'm gonna go hard on her, man. Yeah, but this is a big ass crib, bro. I already asked the owner. He said that alarm has to stay on. People need to fuck off with the alarm. It's getting massively annoying. I doubt you have a mansion, but if you do, good for you. No, I'm not putting the new girl on video because you already know the retards are going to put her on the internet. Not happening. That's it. No more Camilla, man. Fuck that, man. I'll even tell Camilla that I fucked another girl. Yeah, guess what? I just fucked another bitch. That's it. Wow, so this will be my first girlfriend in Moldova. Wow. I'm used to it. I stay here every fucking day. I'm used to it. Okay, but you're complaining about it like a little girl, bro. Just let it go, man. I'm not complaining. I'm used to it. I wonder if the stripper girl is gonna complain about the alarm. Do you think she will? I'm not even gonna say anything. I wonder if she's gonna ask me. She's gonna be like, "Oh, what's that?" Keep bringing her. What kind of question is that? Why are you bringing the stripper up? Because she's coming to my house tomorrow, man. Maybe that's why. Yo, Murphy. Got off the phone with a banging ass. Yeah, it's working. Banging ass fucking female. Hot stripper from Moldova. Finally, she said she was gonna come and give me pussy. Like literally, yeah.